guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video because I'm finally going to be showing you all my room tour. For those of you that do not know, I'm a junior and I go to college at the University of North Carolina at Charlotte here in North Carolina. So I actually don't live next to the university as I used to. I moved about 10 minutes away, kind of more into the city just because I wanted a little bit of a change of scenery. So yeah, I now live in a 3-bedroom condo with 2 of my best friends and we are loving it so far. We moved here in August, so now it's January and I thought it was about time I put this video up. If you guys would like to see how my rooms have transformed along the years from my dorm tour to my first apartment to this apartment, just go ahead and click the links below. I will have all of those links in the description box. And if you guys just stumbled upon this video and are new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you click that subscribe button. I upload videos about lifestyle, DIY, college life, all that fun stuff. But yeah, I don't want to ramble too much because this video is already really long, so let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so when you walk into my bedroom, this is the view that you see. I'll give you guys a little 360. And I'm gonna go ahead and apologize while I remember, but there is a ton of construction going on outside our house right now. So if you hear like beeping or loud booms, that is what I wake up to just about every morning. But I'm sorry if you guys have to put up with it for this video, I really do. But anyways, okay, let's just go ahead and get started. So turn into the left, and I have a couple of these cute things. You guys are gonna notice I love Target. A ton of my stuff is from Target. Over here is my closet, and I was thinking about just doing a closet tour, so I'm just gonna go ahead and skip that for the sake of the length of this video. And then here is my desk, and this is probably one of my favorite parts of my bedroom. So what's awesome about this is not only is it a desk, but it has a couple of shelves on it as well. And as you can see, I take full advantage of the shelves. But yeah, I got this from the Container Store. I have a feeling that they discontinued it because mine was on like major clearance, but you can literally just look up leaning desk and find them pretty much anywhere online. Alright, so here is my chair. I actually got it from this place called Bargain Hunt, you guys. Place, if y'all are from Charlotte near University, it's actually awesome. It looks a little bit ratchet on the outside, but yeah, I got this chair for a deal, y'all. And then over here is just my little workspace. I just have some little stationery going on down here and a little plant. You guys will notice I love my plants and my succulents. Here is my computer with fingerprints all over it. I just have a little mouse pad over here. This is from Target in case you guys are wondering. And then I just have a little binder that I like to use for like inspiration and planning. And then I just have a tablet case. This is really awesome. My mom got me this for Christmas. You put all of your cords in it so that they don't get lost. So I've just been keeping that right here. It just has like chargers and headphones. Okay, so on the wall next to my desk, I have a couple of these little succulent hangers. I got these from Target, and then I got the little stuffers from like Michael's craft store. If you haven't already, go check out my newest video. I show how to make this little chalkboard decal, and this I've just been using to kind of like plan out my week. Moving over is my mirror. I love, you guys, I love my big ol' mirror. If you guys are looking for a big stand-up mirror, I would go check TJ Maxx and Marshall's before checking any other store, because you guys, I got this for such a good deal, and I see the same mirror at so many places for like 200 bucks, y'all, and I bought this for like 60. And then this is actually something kind of cool and nifty I set up in my room. It looks like a big white furry rug, but it's actually one of those blankets that you can get from like Target or Marshall's. I got mine from Target just because it was on a really good sale. But yeah, it's so furry, and you guys, I just love laying on it. I'll like put my makeup over here, and then I'll just like do it so it doesn't get on the rug. I look like crap because I just woke up, but you guys, it is so comfortable. Moving on, as I said, I like to do my makeup over here, so I just have my makeup bag. I'm really careful and I don't bring it on the rug in case anything spills, so I just keep it on the regular carpet. And then over here, I just have kind of a little get ready station. So I just have this little table, and on the bottom I have that box that I showed in my 2018 inspo video. Check it out, check it out. I just have a little silver tray that I don't want to get rid of because I really like it, but right now I don't really have a whole lot of use for it, so it's kind of just chilling down there. And up here I just have a big old box that I like to keep some of my jewelry in, and then on top I just kind of keep some of my more everyday jewelry. Same in this pineapple. This is just like all the stuff that I'm more likely to reach for frequently. The fragrance that I've been loving right now, you guys, is the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction. This smells so good. I'm obsessed with it. And then I also just have one of these little kind kind of like framed canvases that I got from Hobby Lobby. Kind of just something to boost my mood. It's some palm trees in a really pretty house. Looks like it's in Charleston or somewhere like that. Okay, and then up top I just have one of these little rustic looking shelves. I love this kind of wood. I got this from Target, by the way. And I just keep a couple of things up top. I usually have more books in here, but I went to get some work done yesterday, so I took them all out and put them in my purse. I haven't put them back yet. But I do have a productivity planner, and I like to keep like sunglasses and stuff like that hung up. And then on the little hooks, I kind of like to just change out what I keep up on here. So yeah, I think getting something like this is a really good way to kind of express creativity, because as you can see, everything is pretty fit to the season. I have like my fuzzy aux cord attached earmuffs. These are so awesome. I have a big old pink scarf, cute little Adidas hat. So I just have a ton of stuff going on here. And then down here, I just have a big old bucket that just has all of my get ready supplies in there. So I have my brush, my deodorant, my flat iron, my blow dryer, all that stuff. Sorry it's not very clean, but this is what it usually looks like. Okay, and then over here I just have my bed. As you guys can tell, I'm really into like the whole just white simplistic theme, so all of my stuff is just white. And then I have one of these blankets. I got this one from IKEA. This one is from Target. And then above my bed is one of my favorite parts of my bedroom. So I hung this big old shelf above my bed, and I kind of like to just keep plants and mementos up there. And as you guys can tell, I really don't have any kind of headboard, so I just have some of these wall decals. I got all of these from Hobby Lobby, in case you guys are wondering. Next to my bed, I have my lamp. I just have this tall gold lamp. This is once again from Target. All right, and finishing up my room tour, I just have my bedside table. And you guys, I originally bought this thing thinking I was gonna use it for under the bed storage. But when I started thinking about it, I was like, this could actually make a really cute, cozy nightstand. I think some people like to use it turned around, but I just decided to lay it down. And then I just took the divider that goes in the middle out, and I put a couple of these little bins in there. As you guys probably noticed by now, I don't have a dresser. So in this one, I just keep bras and underwear. And then over in this one, you can kind of see some stuff sticking out. I just keep a bunch of junk in there, y'all. And then on top, I just have a ton of little trinkets, so I will go through those. I just have a candle with a really cute little candle stand I got from Bath & Body. This is a really cool candle. I actually got this from the Renaissance Festival though, so it's kind of funky looking, but it smells so good. I just have my favorite Bath & Body Energy Lotion, a picture of my best friend and I. This is a book I like to read before I go to bed, and sometimes if I have time when I wake up. If you guys can tell by my voice, I actually did just wake up. So I have a glass of water that I was drinking last night, and then I always like to keep my dog's little treats close to me. And then moving over here, I'm back at the door right now. Here's my little doggy's food and water bowl. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all. Another day, another train. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour. I have been putting a lot of work into it for you guys, but this is really how my room looks pretty much 24/7. However, it does get dirty on the daily, but otherwise this is basically what my room is always looking like. Oh my gosh, we have a special guest today. Hi, Cleo. As always, if you guys happen to have any questions, definitely just leave them for me below. I love talking to you guys, so I will definitely get back to you if you have any questions. Alright, but thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.